Hi guys, this is James with Raindrop Cleaning. Me and Renee are going ahead and dyeing these bleach spots. Like I said, there's only a couple of us in the state that can do it. We'll show you a little bit of the process. Renee's going to go ahead and start dyeing this. Instantly the color is changing back to its original color. We had to
work on our formula a little bit to hone it in.
Yeah. Yep, that was a perfect mixture, I believe. And these are all our dyes that we have at our disposal to take care of all different kinds of bleach spots and color loss. Look at that, it's changing.
No color transfer.
Okay. And guys, when we do this, dyes require high heat. Once we put in these dyes to change the color back to its original color, these dyes are permanent, meaning if a steam cleaner comes in and hits a high steam on it, it will not strip the color. This is permanent. Wow. I see the back of that rag, Renee, when you're, see?
No blue.
No blue.
Looks like we still need some right through here.
Just a little bit right there. Yes. See if I can get a better angle here so you guys can kind of see. Pictures with the pixels in a camera, it doesn't actually, it shows you close, but looking at it from our standpoint, it's almost a perfect match. Yeah. Perfect.
I'm going to step across the room and see how it looks.
Okay, so we'll look across the room, see how it looks. Just a little bit right there. It's almost a perfect match.
Can you see that too?
A little bit from here, not much. I think you got it.
If they're wondering why we don't have the blind open, it's because we dye in the natural light that the room is usually in. And this is how they keep this room.
And she's got a good point, you guys. So, if we were to open up all these blinds and have all this light coming in, it could affect how the dyeing process works. It could actually, we could end up putting too much color or not enough, because you have to take into account how much light you're going to actually have in your place to make a perfect match. That is a perfect match. As you can see, looking at the rest of the room, you no longer can see it at all. So if you guys are in need of these services, you can always reach out to us. Again, our name is Raindrop Cleaning. Our phone number is 509-833-8257. give us a call. Don't just let these bleach spots drive you nuts. There is a fix to it. Give us a call. We'll take care of it for you. Perfect match. Nice.